No. So today we'll be talking about uncommon Igbo male names. These names are very beautiful names with very beautiful meanings. So the first one we have Ifemyolunna. Ifemyolunna means what I asked of God. The next one we have is Kobimfechi. Kobimfechi means let my heart worship God. The next one we have is Chimambam. Chimambam means God knows my needs. The next one we have is Arizechukwu. Arizechukwu means if not for God. The next one we have is Ikanagemudo. Ikanagemudo means power or strength doesn't make peace. The next one we have is Madakolam. Madakolam means may I not lack people. So the next one we have is Chukwujeku. Chukwujeku means God will speak. The next one we have is Fenna. Fenna means worship the Father. So guys, I know there are so many other uncommon Igbo male names that we know. So let's see them in the comment section. See you guys on another episode of Uncommon Igbo Names. Bye.